do we add a video into Schoology at the top, as I mentioned in the staff meeting today? Well, if I'm in Schoology, I have 10 classes. And what I do is I've created a page that is at the top of each class, and I have a bunch of resources and so on, but this just stays at the top always. And it's a playlist that is embedded here from YouTube. So simply put, this is a document that I created. It just has an embedded video. That embedded video comes from, let me go back in here. That embedded video comes from a code. I just copy and paste into the code view here. And where that comes from is over here. So this is a playlist that I created, and it has, this code up here takes me to the videos, and they automatically show up here. Now, inside this playlist, I can, like when I'm looking at it, I can put that code in the page. Now, if this is interesting to you and you would like to know more, reach out to me. Okay? So what I'm trying to say with this video is when I make a video, it automatically shows up in each one of my classes. If I go over here, it's right here. So when I look at all 10 courses, it automatically updates into all 10. I make it every week, usually on Sunday or Monday morning or something like that. And it's just a brief overview of what's going on for the class. And it's something like this. Oh my gosh. We are in production. Yes. In game design, School of Rock. Now this is a 7 minutes and 46 seconds video, but it's very detailed. And so again, sometimes they're 1 to 2 minutes. Usually they're like 1 to 2 minutes, but it's me clicking on the various folders with the things that we're working on. And so that's all. It just serves that purpose. So again, if you're interested in knowing more, I will make a more detailed video that goes step by step through all the details to do this. So there you go. Email me if you'd like more. Thanks.